we will learn this beautiful hand embroidery design, and this is all over hand embroidery design. And I have made this only with 2 stitches. This is French knot and this is straight stitch. You can decide color according to your cloth or fabric. I am using anchor thread with different color. I have used off-white color, light green, dark green and brown. Let's start. For making this hand embroidery design, you need to draw circle. With pro circle, just draw the circle with the help of pencil. You don't need to trace this design. This is very simple. And at one end of the circle, you need to go just close to the center and start making French knot. I'm wrapping around 3 times so it would be thicker French knot. 1, 2, 3. One in the center and 6 French knots around the center one. After doing this step, you need to make one more row of French knot, and this should be around this center flower. You don't need to count French knot, you just need to make it around it. Make one row of it. finishing one bunch of flower, you need to make exact replica of this on the top of this with different color, just like it. One bunch down and one exactly same up. You can see that I have made one bunch and another bunch on the top of it, and next step would be you need to make 5 French knots just beside these 2 bunches, and I'm using different color. It is dark green. Complete this flower, then we'll make stems. After making this flower, we'll make the stems, and for making stem you need to draw it with pencil, so you'll get idea where to draw and how much we need to make. So just look at this. You have to make line, straight line with the pencil, so you'll get the idea like this. Now start making it. And I am using 3 strands of thread or 3 floss for making stems. You can just count them. These are 3 straight line and and this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after this we'll make longer or larger stem. So for that we need to make 9 straight lines like this. Start from here. Three, then 2, one more time 2, and again 3, 7 and 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need to do the same thing like two stems on the opposite side. Now the bottom stem, make 3 long straight lines. And secure them with straight stitch, or you can say couching, like this. More straight stitch. Like this. You have to make this type of straight stitch opposite side also. After completing, the design will look like this: straight stitch and straight stitch. So just complete this pattern, and when you make this type of fly stitch at the end of it, so you have to make bunch of flowers with this pattern. 4 French knot or 3 French knot in the bottom, like it goes like that: 4, 3, 2, 1, or you can just make 3, 3, 2, 1. So please make this.